Understanding Submit for Review, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase in English, submit for review. Understanding this phrase is crucial, especially in professional and academic contexts. Let's dive into what it means and how you can use it effectively in your communication. Submit for review is a phrase that combines two important words, submit and review. To submit something means to formally present it for consideration or judgment. Review refers to the process of examining or assessing something. So, when you submit something for review, you are formally presenting it for evaluation or examination by someone else. This is often used in contexts like submitting a report at work, a paper for a class, or a project proposal. 1. Academic setting. In universities or schools, students often submit essays or assignments for review by their teachers or professors. This means they hand in their work for grading and feedback. 2. Professional environment. In a workplace, you might submit a report for review to your supervisor or a project plan to a team for feedback. It's a way of seeking approval or suggestions for improvement. 3. Publishing and media. Writers and journalists often submit articles or manuscripts for review to editors. Here, the review process involves checking for accuracy, quality, and suitability for publication. It's important to use this phrase correctly. Avoid these common mistakes. Don't confuse submit for review with submit a review. The latter means you are providing a review, not asking for one. Be clear about what is being submitted and who will review it. Ambiguity can lead to misunderstandings, especially in formal settings. I hope this video clarifies the meaning and usage of submit for review. It's a phrase that you'll encounter often in your English-speaking journey, especially in professional and academic circles. Remember, effective communication is key, and understanding phrases like this one is a big part of that. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.